Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm looking at a matrix question today. So suppose we have to determine sorry, suppose we have to determine x plus y if we have this matrix 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 4 multiplying xy, and then this is giving minus 1 8. Suppose you have to determine x plus y from this question. How do we solve it? Now let's say a is equals to this matrix 2 minus 3 minus 1 4. Okay, and let's say x is equal to xy, and okay, let's also say that b is equal to minus 1 8. So what we have is the same thing as saying a x equals to b, right? So for us to get x, we divide both sides by a, and if you divide both sides by a, we'll be having x equal to b divided by a, or a inverse times b, right? So that's what we'll be doing. We'll be taking the inverse of this and multiplying it with the matrix that we have there. So xy will be equal to the inverse of this 2 minus 3 minus 1 4 inverse, and then we are multiplying that with minus 1 8. So the first problem we are encountering now is, how do we get the inverse of this matrix? So if we had let's say a inverse, or let's use a new one, c inverse, and we said this equals to a b, or c, the matrix c equals to a b c d. C inverse, the inverse of this matrix is bringing d here and a to the other side, dA, and then multiplying both of these by negative, that's negative d, negative c, and then we say c inverse is equals to 1 over the determinant of c times that. Yeah, so we have to look for the determinant of this first. The determinant of 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 4 is the same thing as multiplying 4 with 2, that's 4 times 2, then minus, multiply this with this, minus 1 times minus 3. And so this is equal to 8 minus 1 times minus 3 is 3. So that's 8 minus 3, which is 5. That's the determinant. And so when we come back there, we have x, y is equal to the inverse. Now I'm just going to work with this formula. So 1 over the determinant, which is 5, times, we said we'll switch this to, so we have 4 here and we have 2 at this side, and then we multiply both of these with minus. So minus times minus 1 is 1, minus times minus 3 is 3. All right, so, and then we still have minus 1 and 8 here. So I'm just going to divide everything here by 5. So I have 4 over 5, 3 over 5, and then we have also 1 over 5, 2 over 5, and this is multiplying minus 1 and 8. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 2 by 1 matrix. So we are going to be multiplying these two matrices together. Now to multiply this matrix, we have, I'm rewriting it here, 4 over 5, 3 over 5, 1 over 5, 2 over 5. We said xy is equal to this, and then we are multiplying with minus 1 and 8. We are going to be multiplying this first row by the column, and then the second row by the column. So please take note, a 2 by 2 matrix multiplying a 2 by 1 matrix is going to produce a 2 by 1 matrix. So we'll be having something like this. So the first one, we have 4 over 5 times minus 1, then plus 3 over 5 times 8. Also we have that's 1 over 5 times minus 1 plus 2 over 5 times 8. And so this is equal to 4 over 5 times minus 1 is minus 4 over 5, plus 3 times 8 is 24, so plus 24 over 5. 1 over 5 times minus 1 is minus 1 over 5. 2 times 8 is 16, that's 16 over 5. So what we are having is xy is equal to minus 4 over 5 plus 24 over 5. The denominator is 5, so we have minus 4 plus 24. I hope that's visible. And then the denominator also here is 5. We have minus 1 plus 16. This is equal to minus 4 plus 24 is 20 over 5. Minus 1 plus 16, that's 15 over 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. And 15 divided by 5 is 3. So it means that, I think I still need space there, right? Okay. So from this, you can discover that x is equal to 4 and y equals to 3. I can say x equals to 4, y equals to 3. And the question says we should determine x plus y. So it means that x plus y will be equals to 4 plus 3, which is equals to 7. That's my final answer. If you want more questions on matrices, drop that in the comment section. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share it so others can benefit from it. Till we meet again, it is goodbye from me.